This is what happens when you raise a whole bunch of pets. You go home, you go in your house, and they just stand there and stare inside the window, and when they see you walk by, they start mooing. Okay, I thought I was smelling something. This is what happens at the ranch. Look at this. Look at all this feed. So, yeah, the rat packed it all around the motor. What? What? Are you excited? I'm going to tell you something. One of the hardest things I've ever had to do is try to count these things when they're all bunched up like this and moving around. I figured out the drone's the way to go. Uh-oh, somebody's coming to see me. What's up, Whitey? Look how big she is. Her's getting big. Hey, think I got cake? I don't have any cake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, this big in here makes 13. Got 2 of them out here that need to be put up. So there's 13. She's not weaned, so we gotta get her soon. Look at all these little birds. This is Dopey. What's up, Dopey? Uh-huh. What you doing, Dopey? It's got a massive set. What's up, baby? What's up, baby? What's up, baby? What are you doing, Ellie? Huh? What are you doing, silly butt? Ones, they're turning around on the inside.
Load up.
Turn around. There you go.
Come on.
I'll get you guys on my YouTube channel. Whoa!
Step up.
Man, that's a complicated setup.
Better than what I got.
Okay, you're gonna be on YouTube now. Ramses. Well, today's one of those days where I'm sad, but it's gonna open up a new chapter in our lives. So we decided to go ahead and sell our cattle because don't quite have enough land to make enough profit for all the work that has to go into them. So we're gonna cut back on all that because I haven't been able to get much done with them out here and all the stuff I have to do to feed them. So we're gonna change our lives completely. So keep watching. You'll get to see what we're gonna do. I'm kind of excited about it. And the last few weeks have been crazy because it's been nothing but non-stop work. Well, it's been that way for a year. That's one reason why it's been so hard. It's been just non-stop work for a year. Since before I started remodeling the house. And we haven't even been able to take a vacation this year. Hopefully this winter I can knock out all the grubbing and then we're gonna start this other project. It'll be a lot of work up front, but you'll see what I'm talking about. I'm really excited for this family project we're gonna do. So, like I said, keep watching and you'll see. We'll show it to you. We'll do a whole series on it. Oh, sad. I'm sad. But these babies are going to a really, really good home. Better than what I can provide for them, so I'm not that sad about it. What are you doing, Chase? Maybe old Chase can help me. Huh? Can you help me? Help me load some cows up? I'm gonna have to back up a little bit. I don't think I got this close enough. Oh, I did. Look at that. What you got there, huh? Yeah, I say I'm going. I'm going with the babies. All the babies in there. It's got her baby and two others. Got some other babies in there. And then we got Dopey 1125. So I got the grubbing machine warming up. I got the dog in the bag. We are about to start grubbing and working on our home place. Try to fix this place up. I'm tired of it looking like crap, and I'm too busy to do anything about it. So now it's time to put some effort into that. This thing's just packed in there with crap. Charge this bad boy up. Yeah, once you take a charge. Or a 5/16 should work. Maybe I can, yeah, because it's not on there that tight. Yeah, I got this wire chewed through. Pretty sure that's it, because it's not it's not firing on that cylinder. This is ridiculous. I think I got it. My goodness. I really didn't think it was going to take so long to get that out of there, but it was. That rat crammed that stuff in there big time. It ate through this wire right here. And I need to repair that plug. This coil's not operating because of the rat. Let's see if I can get this wire off. There we go. Take the coil pack off. Okay, I'm not taking that off for any other purpose then. Let's see if I can get this wire out of here. I'm gonna have to, dang it, I'm gonna have to do this out here, because I don't want to take that whole harness off. did make it longer because I got to be able to put this heat shrink on there. I'm pretty sure that'll work. Well, look at all that. Alrighty. That was it. In the back, muffler. Huh? What are you wanting, Gus? Huh? What are you thinking? Say, let me have something to eat. I don't have any candy. I don't have no candy. No, you can't get something.